Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show how to take a course backup from one LMS platform to the another LMS platform. Suppose you have a course on in Moodle, so I need to take a backup of the course. So for that, say example, I am going to this engineering mechanics course. I am opening this course. So in that there is a gear menu here. So click that gear menu. So in that there is a tab called backup. So click the backup, and after clicking the backup there is a page is opening here. So here there are some options are enabled, some options are by default it is not able to enable. So you can keep this tick enable as it is, and come to the end of the page and then give next button, and the second page will open. So here also you can go to the end of the page, don't change anything here, all the ticks are enabled here, and I am going to end of the page and then give next. The third page will open, and in the third page also you can don't do anything here and go to the end of the page. Here there is a button called perform backup, click that button. So it is taking backup the course. The backup file was successfully created, and then give continue. So here I already taken a lot of courses backup before. So this is my recent file. So now I am going to download this course to my desktop. So give download. So it is going to download in my personal computer, and after choosing your drive or folder, then give save. So it is a .mbz file, it is around 13 MB. So then I am going to check whether the file is available. Here the file is available, backup file. The size of the file is 13 MB only, and this file actually we already created one course. We put a lot of effort on that. Suppose the Moodle site or the LMS platform may be corrupted, your file getting lost, so that's why we are taking the backup. And in future we are migrate into the some other Moodle platform or some other learning management platform. We can use this course file for that purpose in future also. So then next I am going to my own Moodle, another platform, that is a Moodle cloud platform. This is my personal platform. Now I am going to restore my course into this new platform. So for that I am going to open my personal platform, LMS platform. It is not a Moodle platform. You can use any other LMS platform if the platform support the .mbz file. So now I am going to my another new platform. So in that you can go to the this gear menu button. There is a tab called restore. You can just click the restore button. Then there is a import a backup file. Here there is a button called choose a file, click that. Here there are lot of options are there, server files, recent files. Now I am going to upload a file from my personal computer, so that I am going to click that upload a file in that choose file. So here my file is available here. I am going to choose the file and open, and after that I am giving upload this file. So it will take a little bit time. The uploading percentage of uploading is available here, 8%, and so on. So actually this course you already created one course. So the importance of backup is you have uploaded lot of files, lot of recorded videos. So again we need to create, suppose your file may be corrupted or some other any issues, so again you want to create means it is very difficult. So that's why we are taking the backup options are there. So you can use even in your Google Classroom or some other learning management platforms. Otherwise you can also save it as in your desktop file, because it is a very less file size, that is only 13 MB. So here file is available here. Then I am going to give restore. The file is restoring to this new platform. So here the details of the backup file and settings. You can come to the end of the page. All the materials, data, everything is available here. Then I am going to give continue. So here you need to select a category. If you have several category, means you can choose any one of the category. Here I have only one category, miscellaneous. I just enable this button and then give continue. So in this page you can check these things and come to the end of the page and give next. So here the backed up course details are available, engineering mechanics and other things, what are the materials has been backed up, that details are available, you can check it. All the boxes are enabled, and then finally you can give next. So this is the restore settings and other course settings. So you can go to the end of the page, then give perform restore. So this file is performing to restore to the new LMS platform. So almost over. So 99.92% completed. So the course was restored successfully. Click the continue button below, will take you to the view the course you restored. Then I am going to give continue. So now my new the restored course is available here. So all that I am going to check whether the files are available or not. So reference book, all the materials are available as it is from the previous LMS platform. So this where it is available, you can go to the home page. So here your restored file is available here. So I hope this video will very much useful to you, because you maybe use the Moodle platform 1 or 2 years back or sometimes. So if you want to restore your entire course, you can do this procedure from one LMS platform to restore, backup the file and restore to the another LMS platform. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.